Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see how we can pay by cash on Uber whenever we are booking Uber ride. If you're on home page, where to go is the always asking question. Just check wherever you want to go, and I selected my nearby destination. For this destination, it's showing me several options. Through Ola Auto you can go, by car you can go, also Uber Moto also you can go. You can use Uber Auto, you can use Uber Car, and you can use Uber Moto. These are the options. In the car segment there will be several options. Today's video is about basically to pay by cash. How do you pay by cash for any Uber ride is the most asked question in any YouTube. See here, this will be payment method. By default I selected as cash, but some persons it will be Uber Cash. By default it is Uber Cash, but now I would like to change it to cash. So if it is by default Uber Cash, or by something like credit card, debit card you have already given, then you have to select this and close, so that the payment option will be selected as cash here. Then confirm Uber Auto. For auto I am showing it to you. That's all. Your ride will be booked. I'll be showing you one more time. So if you are on Uber, just select the nearby destination or your favorite destination wherever you want to go, and Uber will show you all the available options including auto, car, Uber Moto, everything, and select one of the option whichever you are preferring, and select the cash option on the payment methods from Uber Cash to or cards to cash option. Then whenever you are finishing your ride, it will be enabling you to pay through cash, pay by cash. That's so simple, right? Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, bye bye. Subscribe the channel, like and share the video for more such valuable content.